Hi lovelies, how you doing? How you doing? So today I'm going to try to style my hair. I've always been packing it just to one direction, that's like this. I've been packing it like this for a while now. So today I want to make it look really pretty. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I have something in mind that I'm going to be trying out. So you guys should follow me through the process. First, I'm going to apply my Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Spray. That's it. I'm just going to apply it right in the lines. Just to the scalp. I apply it just to my scalp directly. We are almost done. Yeah. So I'm just going to massage it in. Just massaging it in. Like so. So first, I'm going to pick 3 strands inwards my hair, that's inside here, and I'm going to wrap them over. Let me see. I think this 3 is too small, so I think I'll do 6. I'll do 6. Oh, this is fine. So I'm just matting it over. I don't know if you can see. Matting it over like this. Just matting it like so throughout. Just doing that straight to the end. Straight to the end. So this is what we have. The next, I'm going to lay the hair back like this, and I'll take this like this over to the end, over to the end like this. Just adjust it to where I want it to be. And then as for this, I'm going to tie it over. So that it holds. I don't know if this is okay. I don't know if it's fine. So voila, we're done. We are done. So wait the hairstyle.